Hello guys, for today's video I'm gonna show you what is the difference between using noise cancellation app and not using cancellation app. So I'm using Chris. This is a crack version, and if you want to avail guys, please DM this page. So first i-test natin ng I will play music on TikTok so that you can hear the sounds while I'm talking. So, inon ko na yan and ganito yung boses kapag may walang crisp. And ipi-play ko na yung sounds guys. So, ayan. So, as you can see, sobrang rinig yung music sa TikTok. So, baka makapiright tayo guys. So, i-on na natin. So, as you can see, hindi nyo na siya marinig. And sobrang klaro na ng aking boses, unlike yung kanina. So if you want to avail guys, please DM my page. And ito lang is 250 pesos. And you can send it via GCash, PayPal, or crypto if you are uh, a foreign or if you are in other country. Guys, thank you.